Hello everyone and happy holidays. This is ODP channel. My name is Ross and today we're going to be talking about basic blood flow through the heart. And it's not going to be a fancy diagram or anything. It's just going to be a basic 4 chambers of the heart and a few valves chopped in. So we'll just quickly draw the heart. We'll draw the basic diagram of the heart. And one down here. It's going to be a wee bit wonky. I'll try and neaten it up a wee bit. Right, so everyone knows 4 chambers of the heart. There they are. So we'll just quickly draw this as well. And this will come into play in a second. Okay, so I'll just label them for you. We'll just put the definition of them. So we've got the right atrium, left atrium, and we have the right ventricle and left ventricle. So just labeling them as you would see on any heart diagram. Okay, so back to here. So what we have here is the 4 chambers of the heart. So these are smaller chambers and these are big chambers. Sorry for that. Alright, so this is what we call the superior vena cava. So that's getting blood from top, and everything from the bottom is coming through the inferior vena cava. Okay, so this all gets pumped into the right atrium. So what happens next? Does it go? Where does it go? Does it go right? Does it go left? Does it go to the right? Now, so we have valves in the heart, and I'm just going to do 2 of them. So we have, I'll just label them. There's an easy way to remember, try before you buy. So we have try, and forgive my spelling, tricuspid valve. And we have over here the bicuspid valve. Yeah, please forgive my spelling. I will make that 2. I'll make that 2. It's not working. You get the idea though. Okay, so it goes through the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. So the idea, your ventricles are big and strong. The atriums are weak, but not weak, but they're small. You know, the puny muscles. But their primary functions are just to pump blood down to the ventricles. So where does it go from here? So it goes from the right ventricle, and we're just gonna kind of sabotage the picture a wee bit. Goes over here, and anyone know? And what these are? Very badly drawn lungs. Try to make them both the same size. And now, here's the interesting thing. So this thing that takes the blood from the right ventricle to the lungs is the pulmonary artery. Now, people do say, oh, there's always the rule where arteries carry oxygenated blood and veins carry deoxygenated blood. This is the only process in the whole body where these roles are reversed. So the artery, right now, because you got to remember, all this blood is coming back that's been used, it's been oxygenated, and the oxygen's been used up, and this is coming back to refuel, if you may. So it does go right atrium, right ventricle, then through the pulmonary artery, which is still deoxygenated, and it happens to go into the lungs, which it goes through a process called diffusion, a gas exchange, if you may. And gas exchange can be defined as like a pressure change from high to low, low to high. So this goes for the alveoli. Let's just make that kind of, and we'll just kind of do a wee kind of pressure high to low sign. It's not going to be good because I made these lungs way too small. We'll just do one because the same process is happening in the other lung. There we go. And then this gets sent through, well, if you paid much attention to what I literally just said about the reverse row, that gets through the pulmonary vein into the left atrium, which then goes through the bicuspid valve, which that should be capital as well. Sorry, well, they're all capitals except for that. That's a, yeah. So that gets pumped down through the bicuspid valve. We do there. So remember, I should have done this earlier as well. So left atrium, left ventricle, and this is all oxygenated blood now. And then, so the left ventricle is responsible for the boom, which takes it out through the aorta. Let's see if we can put a. Doesn't really look like that, but the aorta. I keep forgetting. Sorry about that warning sign. It's going to be spelled wrong as well, but that is a very basic diagram of how blood flows through the heart. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and hit subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. Thanks for watching, and yeah, bye bye.